Grow slow, grow smart. The secret to YouTube success at any age. In today's episode, I'm diving into the most overlooked strategies for building a successful YouTube channel, especially if you're starting later in life like I did. The key to it is grow slow to grow fast. Sounds strange? Right, but it works. Whether you're a small YouTuber, an over 50 creator, or just tired of chasing trends, this is for you. I'll explain why rushing to go viral can backfire, why slow and steady builds a stronger channel, and how to make YouTube work for you, not burn you out. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to In John's Universe. I'm John, and today we're going to talk about something that goes completely against you see on YouTube all the time. Build slow so you can grow fast. If you're new here, you might not know, but I didn't grow up in the YouTube era. I'm what you call a proud baby boomer. And like many of you, I've spent more time watching videos or watching TV than making them. But now I've decided it's my time to build something slowly, steadily, and intentionally. And you know what? That's exactly what YouTube rewards in the long run. In today's episode, these are some of the topics that I'll cover: building a sustainable YouTube strategy, how slow growth builds loyal subscribers, while going viral too early can hurt your channel, creating consistent content without burnout, YouTube tips for beginners in 2025, realistic expectations for small channels, personal lessons from starting later in life. Don't let comparison or speed culture stop you. The turtle wins the race. Why fast growth isn't always a good thing. Let's talk about the trap most new creators fall into. We think we need to go viral fast, and we chase trends, upload daily, and stress about thumbnails, keywords, and analytics. And after a few weeks, we only have a handful of views. We quit. We're burned out. We're discouraged. But here's what I've learned. Going viral too soon is like building a mansion on a shaky foundation. If one of your videos suddenly takes off and brings in 10,000 subscribers, but your next few videos aren't related, you lose them just as fast as you gained them because you didn't take the time to learn what you want to create and for whom you want to create it for. Why slow growth builds strong roots. Now let's flip the script. What if you only gain one new subscriber a day, maybe even less? Let me tell you something. That every one person showed up for you, not a viral gimmick. They connected with your story, your voice, and your truth. That's how a real community starts, one person at a time. And trust me, a loyal 500 subscribers who engage and care beats 5,000 who click and then ghost you or unsubscribe. YouTube is a long game, not a sprint. YouTube isn't a get famous quick scheme, it's a marathon. And if you're in it for the long haul, like I am, then building slowly lets you experiment without pressure, find your creative voice, avoid burnout, attract the right audience, and improve over time. Even if it only gets 10 views, every video you post is a brick in your foundation. And eventually, that foundation becomes a home for your audience. Now, the next part: work smarter, not harder. Now, look, at my age, I'm not trying to be the next Mr. Beast. I don't think I'll live long enough to be the next Mr. Beast. He's got over, 350 million subscribers right now. I'm not going to be doing a 24-hour challenges or jumping over cliffs. Hell, I could just about jump over a crack in a sidewalk right now. But what I am doing is showing up with a purpose each time I do these videos. And purpose doesn't have an age limit. So I give myself grace. I film what excites me, edit when I can, and try to learn one new skill per week. And that's enough because slow, Thoughtful progress is still progress. So here's part 5. You can start late. I don't care if you're 25, 55, or 85. If you have a story to tell, a message to share, a, a lesson to teach, there's room for you. YouTube is big enough for all of us, but the only way to grow is to start. And then you keep going little by little. So here's the takeaway. Building slowly doesn't mean you're falling behind. It means you're building something that lasts. And remember, it's never too late and you're never too slow, as long as you're moving forward. If you found this video helpful or useful to your needs, get the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips for YouTubers and creators over 50. And click the notification bell so you never miss an upload. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much for being part of this journey. Your support means the world to me and keeps the universe spinning. Let me know in the comments, what's the biggest thing holding you back from starting or growing your channel? Thanks for spending time here in John's universe, where slow and steady doesn't just win the race, it makes the journey worth it. See you in the next one. And before I sign off for today, I just want to say hi to Karen, who's a friend of mine. I spoke to her earlier, and she listens to YouTube quite a bit. And I told her I'd give her a shout out on my channel today. So hi, Karen. I hope you're doing well when this video gets out to you. All right. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you listening to me today. You have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.